Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Let me introduce myself. I'm Safitra Rahmadani Suraj. As you probably know, I am a student of Business English Communication Studies program and I am a researcher of this study. What I like to present you is my research, namely the impacts of playing online games on student interest learning in Business English Communication Studies program class of 2021. The subtopic that I'm going to present are the first one is previous research, the second one is introduction about my research, the third one is research question, the fourth one is literature review divided into definition of game, definition of interest, as well as definition of learning. The fifth subtopic is framework use, the sixth subtopic is hypothesis. The seventh subtopic is research methodology divided into research design and sample. The eighth subtopic is data collection. And the last subtopic is conclusion about my research. There were two previous research. They are the first one is conducted by Ridwan Shahran in Fulf Junior High School and he used qualitative methods. The second one is conducted by Suparni and Siti Handayani in Fulf Vocational High School and they use observational interview and literacy research for their methods. In this digital age, online games are becoming more and more accessible to students. The use of smartphones, tablets, and computers has made it easier for us to participate in online game experiences. As you can see from the data, there is 89% of BEC Studies Program students class of 2021 participate in online game activities. Therefore, it is very important to study how the impacts of playing online games on student interest in learning. The formula of my research problem is as follows. You can see in this slide. I'm going to try to answer this question by analyzing the data I collected during my research. Based on M. Fahrul in 2012 explained, a game is an activity played according to certain rules in which there are winners and losers, but usually in a non-serious or for simple entertainment purposes in free time. Based on Elizabeth B. Hurlek in 2006, interest is the feeling of interest in a certain thing or activity without any coercion from the other side. Based on Winkle in 2014, learning is a mental activity that takes place in active interaction with the environment, leading some changes in knowledge, understanding, skills, and attitudinal values. This research will analyze whether the frequency and the duration of online game correlates with changes in student interest learning preferences. This hypothesis shows that students tend to prioritize their study time over playing online games. This can be interpreted as an indication that students in BEC Studies Program class of 2021 focus on learning activities rather than game activities. For my research design, in this research, I use quantitative survey methods, and for the sample, I use sample in students in BEC Studies Program class of 2021. According to this result, there is 63% of my respondents play online games per week rarely. This result shows that there is 46% of my respondents spend less than 30 minutes to playing online games in one gaming session. Based on the data, there is 85% of my respondents interest in learning in BEC studies program before they're playing online games. As you can see from the pie chart, there is 86% of my respondents remain interest after they're playing online games. According to the pie chart, there is 71% of my respondents spend more their time for studying. Okay, after my presentation today, we conclude that this finding shows that playing online game doesn't significantly reduce students' interest in learning. Although the majority of students play online games, their interest in learning remains stable and most of them still prioritize learning activities rather than playing online games. Maybe that's all my presentation today. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.